Hi, Wes Lee here with your weekly Mesonet Weather Report. Oklahoma experienced another week of August-type weather in late June. Little moisture and intense heat. The 7-day rainfall map from July 1 shows that most Mesonet sites were dry, and those that did receive rain, the amounts were scarce. McCurtain County had the best rains of the week, but even there our gauges collected less than an inch of rain. That continued the mostly dry trend for the month of June. This map shows the departure of average rainfall for the month. Only 7 of the 120 sites had more rainfall for the month than the long-term average. Most sites received 2 to 4 inches less than what would be normal for June. As expected, this led to a drying of Oklahoma soils. The browns shown in this map of the 7-day change in the 10-inch fractional water index indicate drying conditions over the past week. I know I have said this several times recently, but a lot of the sites in the far west and panhandle have no moisture left at 10 inches to lose, hence the 0.0 numbers. One thing that we did have plenty of in June was high temperatures. This map shows the departure of average for maximum air temperatures. Most of the state averaged 1 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit above normal for the month. In the drought-stricken panhandle, the heat was more intense, averaging 4 to 5 degrees above normal. The heat continued through the week with some record-breaking numbers. On Tuesday, new high record temperatures were reached in Beckham and Harmon counties. On Wednesday, the National Weather Service issued a heat advisory for the eastern two-thirds of the state and an excessive heat warning, their highest level for several north-central counties. At least 2 other weather variables contributed to the dry soil conditions for the state in June: low relative humidity and high winds. This map of departure from normal for average relative humidity shows that in all the drought areas of the state, humidity was lower than normal. Part of this is like the chicken or egg argument, as dry soils can contribute to lower relative humidity. But in areas like the Panhandle and Northwest, the lower relative humidity seen for June caused higher evaporation rates where soil moisture was available. High winds for the month tended to be located again over these same dry soil areas. Where wind were higher than normal, as seen on this map, definitely contributed to high soil moisture evaporation rates. Unfortunately, this August-type weather appears to be locked in for a while. After a weak cool front is expected to drop temperatures closer to normal and bring some small rain chances for this weekend, things heat right back up next week. The National Weather Service forecast for the upcoming week shows a probability of higher than normal heat to continue for most of the state. The rain forecast is not much better. They are showing a probability of below normal precipitation for the state as well, shown by the tan colors. Gary is not available this week, so we will see you next week on the Mesonet Weather Report.